Moving out on my own was exciting, but spooky. Fireworks. I hope. That's why I got Kangaroo's $20 doorbell camera.
$20?
Only $20.
$20, huh?
That's barely anything.
And Kangaroo's porch protection plan means they'll reimburse me for stolen packages. It's pretty cool.
The doorbell batteries last an entire year. Yeah!
And with Kangaroo's $20 doorbell camera, I always know who the heck's on my porch. Huh? No thanks, Mr. Spray Tan.
Kangaroo. Affordable, simple, secure.
I feel peace knowing who's been to my dojo.
For a limited time, get Kangaroo's doorbell camera and chime for only $19.99 at heykangaroo.com.